Hi guys, this is Jack here from Celtic Repairs. Just uploading a quick video there on a repair we've just done. So this laptop here, Inspiron 5000, came in blue screening and operating system not working. In this particular type laptop, the way it comes from the manufacturer, it comes with a 16 gig SSD drive and a 2 terabyte upgraded storage hard drive. So the operating system can't run on the 16 gigs, there's not enough space. So it's operated under a RAID system between both drives. Okay, that's fine. Problem is, there's not enough space on the SSD drive to run, and that causes problems over time between the two drives. So the solution is to replace the small 16 gig SSD drive with a much bigger one. We've put a 500 gig Crucial SSD drive into this, installed the operating system, it's Windows 11, into it, and it now has the 500 gig 500 gig SSD drive and a 2 terabyte storage drive inside the laptop. So no problems for this one going forward. Best of luck, and give us a shout if you need any advice, help, or repairs done. Thank you.